Hi everyone. Well, this is another good day at our house because we're going to make fresh crab cakes. And they're very easy, they're quick, and you can finish them, right away. So the first thing we're going to start off is our binders, which is the egg. And we're going to add a little mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, Worcestershire, we're going for a tablespoon. Tablespoon of mustard. Mustard's a little bit sometimes. And we like a little hot sauce. Just a few, maybe a teaspoonful. You can add more later if you like it. Okay. Just whip it till it is just real creamy and no particular color running through it. Most people think crab cakes are hard, but they really aren't. It's just getting your things together and getting a mix. Next is, now the crab meat I'm using today, this is the claw meat, which is, to me, is excellent. And this one is the crab cake combo. This is a different color, but still very, see, and it's dry. This is the dry crab. This is not packed in water or anything. It's just an excellent brand again. This one's called Handy Crab Meat. It's from Kroger, which I love. Okay, next we're going to put a little Old Bay in it. And I'm going with just a teaspoonful, because we'll be using it again. Next, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 of the fine breadcrumbs, and maybe about 5 just regular breadcrumbs. I'm going to put red peppers and a few shallots. I'm going to put just a tiny bit of lemon juice right now. Now here's a trick, you just hardly can't, we don't want to hardly at all mix it too much. Just fold it over, break up the crab. You want to keep it soft. Okay, I think that's enough. Now, see, it's done, and I just barely mixed it as little as I could. But here's the trick to it. You've got to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour and let the crackers and everything sort of work in together. You'll find that makes it stick, tighter when you do start to fry them. So I'm going to put them in this in the refrigerator for about an hour. Well, we've let our crab cakes sit for a while, and we're going to get it started. I'm going to put enough oil in here that they brown real good. I would say 2 tablespoons full. Let that get down hot. Well, after this, I have a little tiny bit of sauce that we put on them, so we'll just wait till we get through with these to put the sauce on them. I'm just barely getting them together. After I get through with these, I'm going to make a salad, and I think that's just about all you need with crab cakes because they're so thorough and solid. And I just make a simple salad to go with them. I'll do 2 pans probably. Some people make them a little bit bigger, but I do like them at this size. That one's just real good and brown. Perfect. Now I'll just put a little bit of salt and pepper on them. They're coming! Look at the pretty colors. I love the pretty colors with them too. And remember, the crab legs are already done, so we're just trying to brown them and crisp them up. One or 2 more minutes and we're through on this batch. This one fell apart a little bit, but I'm not going to worry about that. It will be easy, as we know. We'll give the last few done. That little patch just made 8. Real good. Okay, that's about done. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of sauce on them. This is just butter, a little lemon juice, and a little Old Bay. Melted about 20 seconds. And then your crab cakes are done, and they look beautiful, don't they? Now this is just a little topping of butter, lemon juice, and Old Bay. What else could you want but that? And they're still very crisp. There you go. And I'll tell you something else. A little salad, and we're on our way. Well, I'm gonna try one. I know what it's gonna taste like, but I'll give it a try anyway. There's nothing better than crab cakes, unless it's crab legs, which I dearly love. Well, our crab cakes are done. Make my salad, and we're having a meal with it. So remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. And try these for sure. It's been a good day. We hope you've had a good day. Remember the joy that we can bring to other people. See you soon.